Hi there, welcome to our drawing tutorial. Today we will see how to draw a spider web. So here you can see that I'm using my ruler and my black pen. At the beginning, you have to draw a straight line. Let's draw another one. Now you have to draw two more lines from the corner. Now let's draw the web. Let's do it faster. Let's make it a little bigger. It's time to draw the spider. I'm using my thin black pen. My drawing is done. It's looking amazing. Thank you so much for watching.